I'm just calling it a flat, but no, hold on. It's a cheesesteak oval. That's my recipe name. Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. Let me show you how to make one of my favorites. These are cheesesteak ovals, and they're gonna become one of your favorites. So let's start cooking. Cheesesteaks are one of my favorites. They have to start with sweet Vidalia onion. We'll dice this up, get it onto the griddle in a little bit of oil, let them start to sweat out. Now another must for a cheesesteak is thinly sliced ribeye steak onto the griddle using your spatula and your scraper to tear that meat apart. Get everything mixed together, season our cheesesteak with the Blackstone cheesesteak seasoning, then slide that aside. For these ovals, I love using a garlic naan bread. Drop them down onto the griddle, top side down first to get it nice and warm. Then give it a flip and top that off with my favorite Cooper Sharp American cheese. That's gonna start to melt. Then a big handful of some shredded mozzarella cheese. Then pile it high with your cheesesteak and onion, a little extra sprinkle of our mozzarella. Now I'm gonna place my dome over this to help everything melt together. In minutes, it's done and ready to pull off. We'll post dust it with a little of our cheesesteak seasoning, a little parsley for color, get it cut up, and now it's time to dive into this. One thing I must say goes so good with this is ranch dressing. I don't know if you're a ranch fan, but I am.
Oh, I'm a ranch fan.
I know you are. That garlic flavored naan brings so much flavor. It's a must. It's cheesy. It's everything you love about a cheesesteak. But for you, if you can't get the right kind of rolls at home, like I can, this is what you need to be making. So take it, make it, and be sure to send me a picture.